Hi, I want to invite you to join me on a live webinar this evening by 6 p.m. UK time, where we'll be talking about how to rebuild our lives during this COVID-19. I understand that if you don't know me, my name is Pascal. I started my online business in 2017. So I share my journey and my experiences with people who are looking to start businesses online. Um, a lot of people ask me questions like, how much does it cost? What products can I sell? Am I too old to start? All these questions are important, but what I want to share with you on this webinar is the principles that you have to understand of rebuilding. And this is a very important phase. If you can have the money, people have money and they don't succeed because they fail on the principle. People are in the right age, people start businesses at 50. Why can't you start? It's because of the principles. If you understand the laws of God, that's what's going to help you transform your life, and that's what I'm going to be sharing on this webinar. Hope you don't miss out on it, and if you miss out on it, hopefully if you have any questions, you can post it under this video, or you can reply to any of my emails if you receive this by email, and hopefully I will get across to answer them on the webinar, and I'll send you a recording if you can't make it. But the best part, I always like live webinars because they are much more interactive, and I can actually get to see people, and I will be giving away free access to the training that I use. You don't have to pay anything. I'll give you free access to anybody that comes into the webinar live. That's where I incentivize people to get engaged, stop being afraid of online or digital space, and come out and do what it takes on your own path to create the change you want. Because the more you keep joining live webinars, because that's how you gonna get trained. The more you keep getting used to it, it's just like riding a bicycle, learning how to ride a bicycle. The more you get used to it, it becomes much more comfortable for you. I'll see you on the webinar. Take care. Bye-bye. One of the principles we normally adhere to, and when it comes to changing your life, is I'm going to share that with you. I learned this from the Bible. It said, train a child in the way of the Lord so it never departs from him. And my mom has passed away now, and everything that she has taught me in the Bible, that's what the reason I'm creating the change I'm creating in my life right now. So I'm going to pass that to my kid, and hopefully you understand these basic principles. It's all simple. And Royce, what do leaders do?
They do things without being told.
So you don't have to, you have to do the right thing without anybody telling you to do it. Don't forget to
smash that like button
and hit
subscribe.
Come on, subscribe. Yeah.